How to check Instagram last seen if hidden. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to check if someone is online but he hide his last seen. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to check that. After you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, now scroll to down and tap on this messages and story replies, this one. After you open messages and story replies, now tap on this show activity status. So make sure you turn on this option. As you can see now, show activity status, make sure you turn on this option on your Instagram. So tap on this back arrow now and go back to home. So now tap on this home button. After you come to this home button, now scroll to off and make sure you just refresh your Instagram account like this. After you refresh your Instagram account, now tap on this message section at the top, message. After you tap on this message section now, as you can see now, if you come to the section now, whoever who is online, if your friends are online on Instagram, you'll be able to see them, as you can see, like this one. As you can see now, you'll be able to see who is online on Instagram by looking at this. As you can see now, this green button, this shows that the person who is online. So if you scroll to down, if you want to see who is online or who hide his online on Instagram, as you can see now, this person, if I open up this person, so as you can see now, this person has hide his last seen on Instagram. As you can see now, it's not showing me when he is online or when he just left Instagram. If the person is not hiding his last seen, you can be able to see when the person left online on Instagram at this section. So that's it, guys. But for now, there is not any official button to see when someone hide his last seen on Instagram. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.